So the first thing I want to do when you open up the Unit 2 bike data is to format the data as a table. I've already done that. Just as a reminder, always just click one cell in your table and then select Format as a Table. And then once you've done that, we're going to insert a pivot table. And it'll default to your table that you've just created and new worksheet. So we'll keep those defaults and click OK. The first graph that I want to create is a 2D clustered column, and I want to see the total revenue by product category. So the number I'm interested in is the revenue, and I want to see revenue by product category. I want these numbers formatted as currency, and I don't want any decimal places. Okay, so to create a graph from this pivot table, I'm going to click on Insert and then select the column, 2D column, and the first one is my clustered column. And so it uses the pivot table data to create this graph. There's a few things I want to change. One, I'm going to remove this legend. It really doesn't make a whole lot of sense since I don't have different colors. So if I go up to my options on the top, I'm going to click legend and then turn that off. Okay. And I also I would actually like to see these data values on my graph. So if I select data labels, I can select outside end, and now I can actually see the actual revenue for each product category. And then the final thing I'm going to do is change my chart title. Total doesn't really make a very good description, so if I edit, I get this warning, just ignore it. And this is total revenue by product category. Okay. The last thing I'm going to do is change the name of my sheet. So I right click on sheet 1, or you can double click on sheet 1 and it'll allow you to change the name. And this is total revenue by product category. Oh, does it not let me? Let's change it to just revenue because it has a limit on the number of characters. Okay, excellent.